Hello, another quick unboxing. This time it's for the Morrison's special meat box. So let's have a little look and see what's inside. This is the best one. Thank you card. There's one freezer pack, another freezer pack. That's wrapped quite nicely. There's a pork loin joint with a herb crust. That's gammon joint, ribeye steak, and another ribeye steak. And there's fillet steak and another fillet steak. Oh, quite steaky. Minced steak and pork sausages, Cumberland sausages, and 6 rashers of dry cured back bacon, and another 1, 2, 3 of those freezer packs, and then that's it empty. So we get that out of the way. We'll just go through the contents again. That's not marked with the price. Bacon, £6.50 for a ribeye. No, £5.50 for a ribeye steak. Another £5.50 for a ribeye steak. £6.50 for a fillet steak. £7.27 for the pork loin joint. £6.50 for a fillet steak. So that's 2 of those steaks. I'll put those together like that. And there's a 2 for £4 on sausages, and a £3.50 mince. And the gammon joint isn't marked. So obviously you can add those up and see what you get. So that's the contents of it. Hope you find that useful, and as always, thanks for watching.